Today I'm going to share with you one of my family favorites, Christmas crackers. This recipe is simple, quick, easy, and only requires a few ingredients. And you can almost customize it to anything you want. But today I'm going to show you how to make Butterfinger and our family favorite, peppermint. So the first thing you want to do is line a baking sheet with your saltine crackers. Then in a large pot, you want to add 2 sticks of butter and 1 cup of brown sugar and allow that to begin to melt over a medium-high heat. Make sure you continuously stir this or it will scorch and stick to the bottom of the pot. And that can happen really quickly, so make sure that you continuously stir this mixture once you add it to the pot. Once your mixture reaches a rolling boil, time it for 3 minutes. You want it to get this frothy looking color here. And as you can see, the texture changes really quickly. So make sure you have all of your crackers lined and your chocolate chips ready. Pour your mixture evenly over your crackers and be very quick. Take your offset spatula and begin smoothing the caramel out over all the crackers, making sure that you cover every single edge. You don't want to leave a single cracker uncovered. Then you're going to place this into the oven and allow it to bake and essentially harden. This is what's going to set that caramel mixture. And you will see it start to bubble. That is okay. That means that it is setting that caramel.
Now you pour your chips on top of the crackers while they're fresh out of the oven. You can customize these any way you want to. Once you see that your chips have started to melt, you can spread them to smooth them out with a spatula. You have to be very careful not to break the crackers. Here I am making 2 different flavors, so make sure you start with the chocolate first. Once all of the chocolate has been spread out, you can add your favorite topping. I am adding broken peppermint to this side because it is peppermint flavored chocolate. I'm adding Butterfinger chips to this side because it is just plain chocolate.
While it is hard, allow your crackers to cool before breaking them.
Once your crackers have set, you can break them apart and place them on a plate.
As you can see, that toffee caramel mixture has set. It is ooey gooey, buttery perfection and makes the perfect holiday gift. So there you have it, a delicious family favorite here, which you can totally customize any way you want. Peppermint is a family favorite. Butterfinger is my favorite, but you can definitely top these with any kind of chocolate chips you want, Heath bar toppings, etc. The possibilities are endless.